Jai Hind everyone, the topic that I have chosen for my lecture is yellow journalism, a type of journalism that focuses more on drama rather than the truth. I will be covering this lecturate into three parts. The first would be the introduction, second would be about its current status, and third the conclusion. Coming to the introduction, yellow journalism started in 1890s when two newspaper owners, Joseph Pulitzer and W.R. Hearst, started printing fake news in their newspaper just to increase their sellers. They used big bold headlines, added fake truths or exaggerated half-detailed story to increase their view sellers. In their newspaper, there was a column of a yellow kid, so people started calling it yellow journalism because yellow journalism mainly focuses on spreading half-truth to get views. Talking about current status, today yellow journalism has spread from newspaper and is now in website, in social media, in television, in radio or in newspaper. Today, it has taken the form of clickbait titles, it has taken the form of fake news, in rumors and in half story. Let me tell you a simple example. Imagine this, there is a simple rain happening in your city and a news channel shows you like this: beware, massive flood incoming in your city, stay inside. People will panic, they will hide inside their houses and will spread this rumor because they are panicked. They will spread this to their close one and slowly and steadily the news channel will get views and in conclusion, money. So the news channel mainly focuses on money to increase viewers. I will be also showing you a simple example. Recently, the case of Dharmendra Deol. He was just admitted into hospital, but many prominent news channels showed it to the public that he was dead, just to get views, just to get money. This resulted in many people panicking and believing that he was dead, and they were putting various stories and status on their WhatsApp or Instagram that rest in peace Dharmendra Deol. So it just results in panicking and confusion. Coming to the conclusion, I would like to say that all in all, yellow journalism results in confusion, panic and rumors. So what should we do? First, we should ensure that news channels spread news correctly. Government should ensure that news channels are not allowed to spread fake rumors and action should be taken against such news channels. Schools should teach media literacy. They should ensure that students know how to identify fake news, how to identify the correct news, and then only spread the news. People should also take the responsibility that if something is wrong, they should raise their voice against it, complaining to the government that this news channel is spreading false news, and should identify the source of the news, where it is coming from, and then spread it to their loved ones. Thank you.